So he broke his toe, and he's got what's called a subungual hematoma. That means he's got a collection of blood under his toenails. So we're gonna give him what's called a digital block. And if I numb down here on both sides, his toe will be numb. So we're gonna cut this, and it's gonna drain, which is what we want, right? We're gonna cut this, because it's gonna drain. See how much swelling there was? See, like this is almost jelly. And then he's got a big one back here. I want you to come and actually see this. And again, this is what a broken toe kind of looks like. This probably should have been treated in the ER. But now you see his nail, it's like floating. So if we don't take this off, this is gonna actually kill what's called the nail foot plate. This is where the fingernail actually comes to about here. See this? Yeah. This usually hurts like stink. We just have to make sure we get all of it. Can I get a pair of pickups? And the hard part is I don't have... Do we have a knife? Can I get a knife? Normally I want to pick this off. Usually it's not this complicated, but it's very juicy. It's okay, Soraya. I think I'll probably be okay.
That's 40.
So usually you want to leave this, but it's all, see that? It's all because of this collection of blood. So I'm just trying to get this area. He had a little bit of an ingrown toenail right here. That's why that wasn't coming loose. Yep, ingrown toenail right here. See? This is where the nail usually stops, and then this extra goes all the way to the bottom. Okay? See? This is where it grows out of, and this is underneath the skin here. Without this, the nail doesn't grow.
Yeah.
See? And again, look at how far this nail goes over here. See that? There it is. Yeah, he was starting to get an ingrown toenail right here. Okay. So we are actually going to, this is a piece of plastic, and all we're trying to do is get the nail to basically not fuse or not get glued in here, okay? We just need this space to stay open so that a nail can grow out of it. And then I'll tuck it in right now. Usually you gotta put a couple of sutures, but if you can get one,